Mark my word, the TP-Link Tapo C210 is the best budget Wi-Fi home security cameras. Here's the reason. Before that, hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast View episode 18. Fast View series is a short tech review that I try to cover as much as I can within 3 to 4 minutes, so more info, less time wasted. Let's begin with the unboxing. Inside the box is the quick start guide, wall or ceiling mount bracket kits, a 3-meter power adapters, and the cameras. The design and builds are pretty much the same as the Tapo C200 that I reviewed a year ago. It does 114-degree tilts and 360-degree horizontal range. The major upgrade is the camera sensor that now records up to 2K resolutions. That's a 44% more pixel compared to Full HD. Hence, the bigger storage supports up to 256GB micro SD card. With a 256GB memory, it can have a continuous recording up to 21 days before it starts wiping the earlier footage. The camera can be ceiling mounted or just placed on any flat surface at any corner of your house. It's not weatherproof and it doesn't have any IP rating, so I wouldn't recommend using it outdoor, but it's fine as long as it shields from rain or UV. If you are looking for an outdoor security cameras, TP-Link got you covered with their latest TP-Link Tapo C210WS, and it has a pretty affordable price tag. Hit the subscribe buttons and the bell next to it so you will not miss the review videos. The TP-Link Tapo C210 features night visions, provide a visual distance up to 30 feet in total darkness, motion detection with notifications, real-time two-way audio communication through a built-in microphone and speakers, live preview anytime, anywhere through the TP-Link Tapo apps. Coming to the TP-Link Tapo apps, the setup is pretty simple. Install the Tapo apps either from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Create an account if you do not have one, log in and add the Tapo C210 cameras. If you fail to detect the cameras, all you need to do is tilt the camera up, you'll see the memory cards and the reset button. Press and hold for 5 seconds to reset. Pan tilt are adjustable from the app itself and the video loading is pretty fast. Camera quality wise is pretty good even in total darkness where it switched to monochromes. Here are some video samples. The camera can continuously record on specific days and times, or only record when motions are detected. This will reduce storage usage significantly and prolong the memory card lifespan. There's even an alarm feature that will trigger a loud alarm sound with lights. It has a privacy mode that disables all the recordings when required. It also supports Alexa and Google Assistant where you can stream to Google Nest Display or compatible Chromecast. For the price of R139 and given 2 years warranty, I would say the TP-Link Tapo C210 is the best budget Wi-Fi home security cameras. It offers great video quality, be it day or night recordings, and user-friendly yet well-designed apps. The only thing I can ask for more is higher frame rate recordings to at least 24 FPS. That's all for now. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy short tech review like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you at the next one.